Hi guys, welcome to my channel Learn with Putra. Okay, so today we will learn how to make Slurpee soda. And as usual, the link you can see in the video description. Let's start. The step number 1 is to shake the soda. So we will shake this. Okay, so we already shake it around 10 seconds. The next step is to put this into a freezer. Put it around 3 or 4 hours and keep checking it every 30 minutes or 1 hour to make sure it's not frozen. Make sure it's not completely frozen. Okay. Okay guys, we already wait for 4 hours. If you see, it's not completely frozen. It still have liquid of Coke. The next step is to twist the bottle cap slightly and tighten it again to release some pressure inside. If you hear the sound, this, okay, and tighten. Oh, you see, there's an effect. Oh, tighten it and twist. Oh, you see. Okay guys, I already opened it. Let's check the Slurpee. Woo! Okay. Did you see here? Yeah, it's like Slurpee. I have Coke Slurpee. Success! Success! That's all guys. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have another idea for learning with me, you can comment in this video. Thank you for watching my video. See you on the next video. Learn with Putra. Bye. Woo! Hi guys, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification so you will be notified about my latest video and updates. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and share it. See you on the next video. Learn with Putra. Bye.